Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for your patience. If you're new to the channel, I normally do a Walgreens video as early as possible on Sunday. Did I just lose lighting? Did it just get darker in here? Anyway, I normally do a Walgreens video as early as possible on Sundays, but I was up super late last night actually looking at Walgreens deals, and I was not excited about the week. And then I went to bed maybe around 1:30, got up at 6:30. I was looking at the deals some more. I just couldn't make anything exciting happen. So I slept in, and then I ended up shopping Walgreens and CVS later in the day, and I'm putting them both together. I know some people have said, please do a CVS video. Other people only shop one or the other store. So I'm going to talk about Walgreens deals first. Then I'm going to talk to you about CVS deals and how I got all of these items for just over $1 when it was all said and done. So let's start with Walgreens first. Now, on Thursday, I believe, of last week, I posted on Instagram, check your Walgreens accounts, because there was a booster in my account that was like, spend a penny, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Great deal. So I did get the $5 back in Walgreens cash from shopping this week. I picked up, where is it? The Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. These are $1.79. There are two different digital coupons. One is a manufacturer digital for $1.25 off. The other is a store digital for $1 off too. But if you only purchase one, 50 cents is still going to come off. So that's $1.75 in coupons, making your final cost just 4 cents for this pack of Reese's. So I picked up that. I also picked up these Werther's popcorn. I did a reel on Instagram about this middle of last week. These are 2 for $8 if your store carries them. Swagbucks has an offer for $6 back when you purchase 2 of them, making them just $1 a piece. And yes, I am aware that there's a Checkout 51 offer on these, but per the rules of Swagbucks and Checkout 51, you cannot combine those. So the best deal is on Swagbucks, making it $1 per bag. I also picked up these L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Fillers. It's a daily moisturizer. Now, these are buy one, get one half off. So when you pick up 2 of them, it's $18.73. Now there's a $2 store digital that's going to come off for each one, so $4 off there. I also had a $12 digital that I already had clipped in my account. It did not show. When I pulled this up, it only showed that $2 store digital. It didn't show the 12. I went ahead and threw them in my cart to see if the $12 that I knew I had clipped would come off, and it did. So that made it $2.73 for both of them, or $1.36 each. Now, I did purchase all of these for curbside. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending at least a penny, which makes my final cost on these completely free and a $2.23 moneymaker. Hey, sweetheart.
Yeah.
You can bring it to me.
Okay.
My adorable son has been away all weekend, and I'm so happy to have him back. And he just made me a cup of coffee. And so I'm going to enjoy that cup of coffee. Thank you, baby. While I finish this video. So honestly, those were the only things I got at Walgreens this week. The deals just weren't there for me. I'm not going to make a video just to make a video. Now, there were quite a bit of items on clearance, and I will include those pictures at the end of the video. The Bounce Tide Downy products are 4 for $9 again this week. It's a decent deal. If those are your types of products, go ahead and pick those up. Of course, you could use booster coupons with that. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch bars, these are 2 for $6. There was a $1 rebate back on Ibotta. So $1 back if you buy 2 of them, making it 2 for $5 or just $2.50 each. There is a coupon, did I write it down somewhere, for, yeah, here it is, a free 8x10 photo. I don't know when it expires, but if you want a free 8x10 photo, throw an 8x10 in your cart and use the code BIG-LUCK. And that will take the $3.99 off, making it completely free. The Chex Mix bars are 2 for $6 with $1.50 back on Ibotta. But both The Chex Mix bars and the Cinnamon Toast bars on Ibotta said there was like 24 hours left. So if you don't see them when you're watching this video, they may have already disappeared. But if it comes back, you'd get $1.50 back on Ibotta, making it $4.50 for both boxes of bars, or just $2.25 each. So that's it for Walgreens for me this week. Hopefully the week gets better as it goes on. If you're doing other deals at Walgreens, please drop them down below. There are other deals out there, just nothing that I felt was exciting enough to talk about. Now, I want to talk about CVS. I want to talk about the individual deals, as well as how I put it together and used my $8 off a $40 purchase coupon. But before I get into that, I'm going to take the Walgreens stuff off. That way it's not confusing. I've mentioned this before. I want to mention it again. If you want to check out Sirius XM radio in your car, completely free, no payment information required, you can get it free for 3 months. I'll drop that link down below. So definitely a deal worth trying out if your car has the capability. My car's too old, like it won't even work in my car, so I can't try it out. But I did have a friend try it. That way I made sure no payment information was required, and they have already finished their 3 months and did not renew it. It didn't like auto renew. It can't auto renew because there's no payment information in there. Okay, so now we're talking about CVS. All right, these Cheerios are 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you're going to get $1 extra care buck back. Check your CVS app, see if you have $1 digital. I did not. I think it's because I used mine last week. So I paid $8. I submitted my receipt to coupons.com where I got $1 back for buying 2. I got $1 back for buying 2 in extra care bucks. And then I got $1 back for buying 2 on Ibotta, making my final cost $5 for both boxes, or $2.50 each. But it's going to get better because I'm going to include those in that spend 40, get $8 off. Now, the Lara bars, these are $5.99. Already that's a decent price, but I had $1 back on Ibotta, as well as $2 back on Fetch Rewards. So that's $3 back, making it $2.99. But on this box, you see how it says free $5 coffee gift card? You submit your receipt to coffeeonlara.com, and you get an email gift card, $5 toward coffee. Now, they accepted my receipt. They said it could take 8 to 10 weeks to get that gift card in my email, so I can't tell you what it says because I haven't gotten it yet. And it was like really not specific on what coffee gift is. Is it Starbucks? Is it Dunkin'? Is it random? I couldn't find the answer to that, so if you can, let me know, or I'll let you know in 8 to 10 weeks when mine shows up in my email. But great deal on the Lara bars, especially if you have the Ibotta and the Fetch offer. Another easy deal on the Colgate. These are 2 for $7.98. You're going to get $5 in extra care bucks back when you buy 2 of them. There's also a $3 digital. So you pay $4.98, you get $5 in extra care bucks back, making them both completely free. Can you pay with extra care bucks and still get the extra care bucks back? Yes, every single time at CVS you can do that. There's no issues with doing that at CVS. Now, the Glucerna bars, these are $6.59 a piece. Now, your store may be a little bit more expensive or a little bit less expensive based on the area that you live in, okay? So $6.59 a piece. I used 2 of the $3.50 coupons from the February 5th Smart Source, paying $6.18, getting back $5 in extra care bucks, making it $1.18 or just 59 cents a box. That's more than 90% off. Now, the Love Beauty Planet shampoos. These are spend $15, get $10 in extra care bucks. And we have an amazing paper coupon to pair with that. So my store has these priced at $9.29. I purchased 2 of them. I used the buy one, get one free coupon from the February 19th Save Insert. So I paid $9.29, got $10 in extra care bucks back, making it completely free and a 71-cent moneymaker. The baby deal. This is another really good deal on diapers. So they're buy one, get one half off. and then we're gonna get $10 for buying 2 packages. So I picked one of the Huggies Little Snugglers in a small size, and I did that because I had a Fetch Rewards offer that was just good on the like newborn and size 1 and 2 diapers. So $14.49 for a pack of those diapers. There was a $2 digital. I picked up a pack of pull-ups. This one rang up half off. These were a little bit less expensive. So the half off price was $6.75. There was a $2 digital for this one as well. So I paid $17.24. I paid using my extra care bucks. I got back the $10 in extra care bucks for the diaper deal from CVS. I got back $2 on Ibotta for the pull-ups. I got back $3.25 on Fetch for the pull-ups. I got back $1 on Fetch for the Huggies Little Snugglers, making my final cost 99 cents for both packs of those diapers, or just 49 cents each. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch, grab it using this referral code here because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt. Now, earlier in the week, CVS had sent me a coupon for $8 off a $40 purchase. So I picked up the 2 boxes of Cheerios at $8, the box of Larabars at $5.99, the Colgate at $7.98, and the shampoos for $9.29. Now, double check the prices at your store because that put me at $40.55 total. The $8 off a $40 purchase came off. The $3 digital for the Colgate came off. The $9.29 for the buy one, get one free Love Beauty Planet came off. I said $1 came off for the Cheerios. Really, I got $1 back on coupons.com, but we'll say $1 digital came off, leaving me to pay $19.26, which I paid in extra care bucks. I got back $1 in extra care bucks for this and $1 back on Ibotta. I got back the $2 on Fetch for this and $1 on Ibotta, plus the free coffee. I got back the $5 for the Colgate, and I got back the $10 for the Love Beauty Planet, making my final cost completely free and a 74-cent moneymaker, plus that $5 coffee gift card that should be coming to my email. So that was a moneymaker. This cost me a little bit. I had a moneymaker at Walgreens because I bought like 3 items and I had that $5 in Walgreens cash back. So when I add everything all together, I paid like $1 for all of this stuff, which is crazy awesome week at both of those stores combined. Now, if you have questions about anything, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Don't forget, I have a giveaway going on over in my Merryfield tutorial. 2 winners are going to win a $100 gift card. That's still going on. It will be announced in my Walgreens video on March 5th. So get entered in that and hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.